Thanks for watching. We partnered up with Jody Culp of Red Juice Rocks just because of her background and in-depth understanding of this condition. And we developed an acronym called C.A.R.E, C-A-R-E. And the C stands for compassion. And we're producing these authentic stories so that people can gain compassion for this condition. So the A is for awareness. Never before has a documentary of this nature been produced since the discovery of FASD. And it's also to help bring awareness to the dangers of drinking alcohol during pregnancy. The R is for recognition. This condition is just not recognized. And so our aim is to reach 5% of the US and Canadian population. And the E is for education. We'll have some educational segments for ongoing training to really gain a better understanding in so many different areas of our society to better understand this issue. So we encourage you to visit the website and learn more. The website is embracedmovement.org. And there you can explore more of our resources, more of the mission of the film, and hopefully make a contribution to help us in the production of this film. So thank you very much and take care.